Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox a gaming mouse. This is Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury Ultra Fast FPS gaming mouse. For some reason, the name reminds me Borderlands. This mouse was launched in August 2014, so it's kind of old. The list price is $60, and I purchased it from Best Buy for only $22. In today's video, we will do a quick unboxing and give you an overview of this mouse. In the end, I will give you a short review. Let's look around the box. On the box, it shows the features of this gaming mouse. I'm not going to read the link out. If you are interested in those details, you can just pause the video and check them by yourself. Now let's open the box to see what we have inside. We want to open it from the top. You can see this is how it looks like inside. Let's take everything out and check each of them in detail. First, we see some paperwork. They are menu, warranty information, and a sticker. I don't expect they actually include a sticker. That's pretty cool. Here we have the mouse, G402 Hyperion Fury. The USB cord is 7 feet long and the weight of this mouse is around 5 ounces. I actually like the way Logitech pack the mouse, especially how they handle the cord. Now let's look around this mouse. There are 8 programmable buttons. Of course, you must download the software from Logitech's website in order to modify them. However, this is totally optional. One thing I want to point out is you can use this mouse right out of the box. You don't need to download any specific software or register an account to use it. I heard a certain brand requires you to do it, but not this one. One of the selling points is the backlight on the mouse. You can actually adjust the brightness, let it do the auto change, or fully turn it off. This can be set up by the software you download from their website. There is also another backlight in the left hand side. Overall, I will say this is a very nice looking gaming mouse. The design looks sharp. I feel very comfortable when I hold it. However, if the game mouse is something new to you, you might accidentally click one of those additional buttons, so you need to get used to it. Price-wise, I will say $20 to $25 is an acceptable price, considering this is an old model. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing in the future.